Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a hydraulic turbine that operates at 86 meters, so that's the height. We got a volume flow rate of 0.26 cubic meters per second, and our efficiency is 92%. What is the electric power output of this turbine? So we've got some water. So let's draw our free body diagram, our FBD. As you can see, the water is at 86 meters. It's flowing to the turbine to generate power. Okay, step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. So they give us the height, 86 meters, volume flow rate, 0.26 meters cubed per second, efficiency, 92%, and density of water, we're going to assume is 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed. We're going to assume it's fresh water because generally you would use water from a dam, from a lake, and we're trying to find the power of the turbine. If they state it is salt water or brine, then obviously you would use a different density. Okay, step 3, find the power of the turbine formula. So it is the efficiency multiplied by the mass flow rate multiplied by gravity multiplied by the height of the turbine. So for mass flow rate, we can break that down into its components of density multiplied by volume flow rate. So they give us everything. So in step 4, we just plug and play. So 92% multiplied by 1,000 kilograms per meter cubed multiplied by 0.26 meters cubed per second multiplied by gravity, 9.81 meters per second squared multiplied by 86 meters. Then make sure you've got your conversion factors multiplied as well to get kilowatts. So the power output for the turbine is 201.80 kilowatts. Note that the power output of the hydraulic turbine is proportional to the available elevation difference, or turbine head, and the flow rate. So the higher the height and the higher the volume flow rate, the more power you will get out of it. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. So click on the icon in your taskbar to open up the program. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in the snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in the snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.